Do you spend ages using Microsoft Word to create documents from scratch, such as invoices, or maybe even creating a birthday card from scratch? Well, there is a far easier way in Microsoft Word, and that way is by using one of the pre-selected templates. And I'm going to show you in this video how to do this, and this will save you time, and time is money nowadays. So before I continue, please like, subscribe and share. So I've got Microsoft Word opened up here. First thing you need to do to access these pre-built-in templates is go to the top left hand corner, click on New. When you click on New, this screen should appear. Now you can either create your document from scratch here by clicking on blank document, but if you scroll underneath you will see a search box, and in that search box you've got an option to select one of the saved templates. So you can search for online templates. Let's say you've got a business, you want to create an invoice. I'm going to type in invoice in here, click on invoice, and it will go away. Search for all the templates of invoices where it's got saved, and you just choose the most appropriate invoice for your business. So I quite like the look of this one, this simple service quote invoice. Highlight it, it will come up with this pop-up box, and then I'm going to click on create. Once I click on create, it should open up the template for you, and all it is, the simple case of doing is changing the pre-selected text to whatever your company name is. So here I'm going to change that to RA Solutions, put my tagline in here, put my address, phone number, email address in here, and put the recipient's address in here, their details in here. Obviously change the number of your quote, the date, expiration date, and in here you can change these details here. You can even change the color of the table, but that's another video. And obviously write down what the invoice is for with a subtotal, sales tax total. Save it, send it on email, whatever, or print it off and send it via post. It's entirely up to you, but I've just saved you a lot of time here by creating a simple invoice there. Another way, let's say you want to write a CV if you're living in the UK, or a resume if you're living in the USA. So same sort of principle applies. File, top left hand corner, go to New, do a search for a CV here, click on enter. It will come back with lots of templates of different CVs, and you just choose the one you like, really, the one that's going to be most eye-catching for your new employer or potential employer. So I quite like the look of this one. I click on create. It's going to go away, generate that template for me, and all you simply do, change whatever text is in there. So you put your name in there, job role, objectives, experience, so on and so forth. If you don't like this, you can change that. Put all your education details here on the left, put your address details here, and a little bit about you here as well. That's a simple CV done. Let's say you want to create a birthday card, especially thinking about the cost of living crisis. You want to print a handmade one. It's a better one than buying one from the shops, I guess. File, new, go to templates here. Let's do cards. And choose whatever card you want. There's the thank you cards here, get well soon, happy birthday cards, but you can be specific here in the search box and do a search for birthday cards. There you go, specifically birthday cards will pop up, and you can choose the one you want and do the same thing as you've done previously, saving you lots of time and just making your time more effective, really, than spending hours doing something from scratch. And they say, what's the point of reinventing the wheel when there's things already out there that does the work for you, saving you half the time. So I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.